The RocRow InkSonic XP600 DTF printer is a powerhouse built to transform your garment printing workflow. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. With its all-in-one design, including an automatic powder shaker, film cutter, and drying system, this machine brings unmatched speed and convenience to your custom t-shirt and fabric printing setup. Whether you're running a growing business or starting a new venture, this A3+ printer delivers professional-grade results with speed, accuracy, and ease. The InkSonic XP600 stands out for its dual-speed advantage, operating at twice the speed of older models like the L1800 or L805. It completes an A3 print in just 3 minutes and instantly transitions to the powder shaking and curing process without interruption. This continuous, high-efficiency workflow helps double your daily output, cuts drying time to near zero, and drastically reduces manual labor. For anyone dealing with volume, this upgrade translates to more shirts, faster turnaround, and better profits, all without compromising print quality. Another standout feature is the automatic film cutter, which saves time and adds precision to heat transfer projects. Combined with its wide compatibility across fabric types, cotton, denim, leather, polyester, and mesh, it's a dream setup for apparel creators. This printer is also designed with durability in mind, incorporating a white ink circulation system that prevents clogging and protects the print head even when idle. Its holiday mode ensures auto-cleaning happens at intervals so you never return to a clogged nozzle again. What truly sets RocRow apart is its dedicated customer support. Buyers gain access to 24/7 lifetime technical assistance, one-on-one guidance, and remote troubleshooting, including a free one-time print head replacement within 6 months. This level of post-purchase service means you're not just buying a machine, you're investing in a long-term printing solution with peace of mind built in. For entrepreneurs, creators, or studios seeking a scalable, efficient, and intelligent DTF system, the InkSonic XP600 is built to lead.